Okay? You can smell it on camera if you want. Okay? So now, the first step is understand how to make our rice here, okay, right? So we have here one pan, okay, right? And we're going with olive oil, thank you, chef, okay, right?
Lascio che
Extra virgin olive oil, guys, okay, right? Okay? You can smell it on camera if you want, okay?
Give it a smell.
More, because it's never enough, you can pack it in the bottles, okay, right? Like this. Oh, this one here.
salta, Paolo, dai.
I lose a bit of weight, I'm so fat today, right?
Buonasera from Taormina. It is day 6 here on EF Ultimate Breaks Sicily and Malta Getaway. We are exploring Taormina today. My whole group is behind me. So this morning we got to Taormina around like 9:30, 10. We had the whole morning free. We had until like 1:45 free, so me and a couple of the group went down to the beach. We got some drinks, overlooked the water. It was really fun. And then we headed up here into town. You take the cable car up, and then it's just like super cute streets like this behind me. We got some gelato. I tried the gelato that is in, they put it in like a piece of bread. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it was actually really good. I got pistachio and chocolate. I don't know if I would ever get it again, but it was good to try while I'm here in Sicily. So we had the whole morning free. We just wandered, and then we just did a cooking class. The cooking class was really fun. We made arancini, or should I say, as they say it here, arancino. In this region of Sicily, they say arancino with an O. Back in like the area of like Palermo, they say arancina. So super good. We made so much of it. We also got wine, so everyone's feeling it a little happy. We're here right now doing a walking tour. It's 4 in the afternoon. Maybe the walking tour after all the free wine at the cooking class wasn't the best thing, but you know, we're having fun, feeling good. Fun day 6 so far. So we are just doing this walking tour. I think he's taking us around town. I don't know. Clearly I'm not listening because I'm talking to you. We are heading to the Greek Theater. I know that is on the tour. So fun stuff. Very cute town. I love Taormina. And at the beach, we got to see some of the spots where they filmed White Lotus. So can't be that. I believe this tour is about an hour and a half. Yeah, there it is. And then I think they're going to give us a little bit of more free time here in Taormina. And then we have our last night here. We're staying in a town just north of here, Letojanni. Super cute town. It's our last night here. Tomorrow we are heading on to Malta. We're heading south. We're going to stop in Syracuse on the way before catching like a 7 p.m. ferry to Malta. So that is what I'm going to cover in these videos. So far, it's been a super fun day. Again, I love Taormina. Can't wait to head to Malta tomorrow. Apparently, the town that we're stopping in, Syracuse, is super cute. So I think this is cute. That one should be great as well. It's been super fun so far, and yeah. Alrighty, I have an update from this walking tour. We're here at the Greek Theater. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, but this tour is still going on. Everyone drinks so much wine at the cooking class. This was an awful idea to do the walking tour after this. I mean, the Greek Theater is really cool, but everyone's down there just like lit and taking pictures, and this poor guy is trying to tell us about it. I have not heard a single thing. Like, my brain is just like, whew. So walking tour not going well. Hopefully if you're coming on this trip they like switched it or something and the walking tour is in the morning, because this is not good. Walking tour after free wine, no bueno. No bueno, but I'm still having fun. And like I said, the theater is very pretty. You can see the bottom, like the I had too much wine. Like the town and the beach below. So it's very cool, but not the best bus planning of the day. But that's okay. After the walking tour, we're just heading back to Yanni. Just chilling tonight, enjoying our last night in Sicily. Should be fun. Probably gonna keep the lit vibes going, but you know, fun day 6. We'll see what day 7 brings. Good morning. It's day 7 and it's our last day in Sicily. I'm so sad. Look at that view. I'm gonna miss it so much. Today we still have a fun day. It's a little rainy. Hopefully as we drive south it's gonna get less rainy, but right now we are packing up. We have an hour 45 minutes bus ride to Syracuse, which is south of here in Taormina. Then we have about 4 hours there to explore. Again, hopefully it's not raining down there because I have a big day. I have a big plans for the day. I'm getting pasta, Aperol spritz, gelato, a lot of things. So I won't let the rain ruin my day, but it'd be nicer without it. So we have 4 hours to spend there till the afternoon, and then we are heading to the South Cruise Port here in Sicily. I don't know what it's called, but it's another 2 hours from Syracuse. And then we have an hour 45 ferry ride to Malta. So excited. That'll be my 29th country. You'll see that in next week's video. But, you know, let's enjoy the rest of this very rainy day here in Sicily. Make the most of our last few hours here. I'll check in from Syracuse. Ciao from our final stop here, Syracuse, our final stop, our final city on the water. Today we had a great time. We did everything on my to-do list. We got coffee, we got pasta, we got Aperol spritz. There's a lot of children here. Aperol spritz, and we got gelato. So mission accomplished. We did everything we needed to. Alrighty, away from the children. So we accomplished our to-do list. We got coffee, pasta, Aperol spritz, gelato. Very successful day. I did like the city. Yeah, they're all starting to look the same at this point, I won't lie. But I think Taormina was my favorite yesterday. So glad we went there. Yeah, now we're leaving Sicily. 7 incredible days here. Totally could do more, even though I am ready for some new food. So now we are heading down to the South Port to head to Malta. So we have like an hour and a half drive, and then we have an hour 45-minute ferry. So that is all we are doing for the rest of the day. So I'm going to wrap this up here. If you missed my first 2 videos of this trip, make sure you go back and watch them. It covers Palermo, Cefalù, and Mount Etna. So those were all very fun. And next week's video will be all about Malta. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, that's all. Goodbye from Italy. I will miss it dearly, but time to move on. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next week from Malta. Ciao.